Have you ever talked yourself out of buying used camera gear because you were afraid you'd get burned? I know I have. You think maybe that lens has a hidden problem. Maybe that camera has been abused. Maybe the seller disappears the second your money is gone. Maybe the price looks good, but the risk just doesn't feel worth it. And honestly, I get that. Camera gear is expensive. Wildlife photography gear is really expensive. And when you're spending hundreds or even thousands of dollars on cameras and lenses, the last thing you want is to gamble on something that might fail the moment you need it. But here's the question I think more photographers should be asking. Is buying new always the smartest choice? Because over the last several years, I've traded in 3 cameras and 3 lenses using KEH, and my experience has been excellent. Most recently, I traded in a couple of my old Tamron lenses that I used during my days as a wedding photographer, and I used that money that I received from trading them in towards a new Sony lens, the 70-200 f4 lens. This was like my 6th or 7th experience with KEH, and once again, it was really simple and the overall experience was great. And this got me to thinking about the process, and so I reached out to KEH to see if they would be willing to collaborate on a video. Now in the show notes, you're going to find links to all of the equipment that I personally own and use from a camera and lens standpoint. Now, if there's a piece of gear that you're looking to buy that's not on this list, let me know, and I will certainly reach out to KEH to see about getting a link for that gear as well. But in this video, I want to talk about buying used versus buying new, and why I personally trust KEH, what the trade-in process has been like for me, and why buying used camera gear from a reputable company might be one of the smartest ways to upgrade your photography kit without paying full retail price and breaking the bank.
But you're stronger than you know. You'll never be alone when everything feels dark around.
Welcome to the channel. I'm Jeff, and I'm a professional wildlife photographer living in Charleston, South Carolina. This is a place for photographers that want to learn how to create better wildlife photos. Photos that are more compelling and meaningful and also emotional. If you've been nervous about buying used, or you're wondering whether used camera gear is actually worth it, this video might completely change how you think about upgrading your camera bag. KEH is not some random person on Facebook Marketplace. You're buying from a company that specializes in used camera gear. They grade the condition of their equipment, they handle all the trade-ins, and they back eligible used gear with a 180-day warranty. And it's also worth noting they have a 21-day return policy. If you don't like the product equipment that you ordered, they want to ensure that you have 100% satisfaction. Used camera gear feels risky, right? Most photographers are not against saving money, they're against the uncertainty. They don't want to wonder if a lens was dropped, if the autofocus is off, if the camera has been heavily used, or there's some other hidden issue that only shows up after the sale. That's why a lot of photographers automatically default to buying new equipment. But buying new is not always the best value. I've personally used KEH multiple times. In fact, I think I've traded in 3 cameras and 3 or 4 camera lenses. Now, as I shared at the beginning of this video, most recently I traded in 1 lens towards another lens. This is not based, on one lucky transaction. This opinion is based on repeated experience with KEH. When I recommend something on this channel, I want it to be based on real experience. And with KEH, I'm not talking about a one-time purchase or the experience of other photographers. I've used them many times, both for selling gear and for trading gear towards something else. That matters because, yeah, one smooth transaction can be nice, but repeated smooth transactions tells you a lot more. Buying new gives you some confidence, no question. Buying used gives you value. Now, the real question is whether you can get both. The problem really isn't about buying used. The problem is buying used blindly. Personally, I would never buy used from a private seller unless I personally knew them well. And quite honestly, even then, I think I would be pretty hesitant to do so because if something goes wrong, this is the type of situation that you can lose money and also ruin a friendship. So if you have something that you're buying from a private seller, whether it's eBay or Facebook Marketplace or whatever the case may be, you have absolutely no warranty on the equipment that you're purchasing. And there are so many scammers out there these days, it's really hard to trust the purchase. Not to mention, a lot of photographers these days have their equipment stolen, and it's resold on sites like this. I want nothing to do with possibly purchasing someone else's stolen equipment. Camera bodies depreciate quickly. Lenses, though, they often tend to hold their value much better compared to camera bodies. And many photographers, like myself, baby their gear. A used lens can perform just as well as a brand new one. Buying used lets you stretch your budget. You may be able to buy better glass than you could have afforded brand new. And for wildlife photographers, the savings can be really significant because long lenses are expensive. In wildlife photography, the gear gets expensive fast. Those long lenses, backup camera bodies, tripods, teleconverters, camera bags, none of this is cheap. So if buying used lets you move into a better lens, a better backup body, or a more capable setup without paying those new prices, that can make a real difference. KEH feels different because of their condition grading, the trade-in process, large used inventory. You're dealing with a company, not a stranger. Eligible gear has a 180-day warranty. You can trade used gear towards something you actually need. And for me, the biggest reason KEH works is confidence. I'm not meeting someone in a parking lot. I'm not hoping the seller described the gear accurately. I'm not trying to inspect a lens in 5 minutes while feeling pressured to make a decision. I'm dealing with a company whose entire business is used camera gear. Over the past 10 years or so, I have traded in 3 Sony cameras. I had 2 Sony A7 IIIs. I've traded in a Sony A7R4. I traded in my Sony 105mm macro lens and 2 Tamron lenses, the 28-70 and the 70-180. And again, I think there's one more, but I can't remember it. Now, I traded in this gear because I was looking to either upgrade my camera or get other lenses for my use case. Could I maybe have squeezed out a little bit more money selling gear privately? Yeah, possibly. But then I'd have to deal with messages, negotiations, shipping, people backing out, payment risk, and all of those little headaches that come with selling the gear myself. For me, I appreciate the value that comes with convenience, simplicity, and just dealing with someone who's reputable. The process of trading in gear is super simple too, and you have a couple of ways in which you can approach it. The first way is to just go on to KEH, enter the equipment, and get your own online quote. You enter the information about your equipment, you give it a condition rating, and then KEH will provide you with a quote right there. You can then mail in your gear and they will inspect it, and then they will reach out to you shortly after that, letting you know whether or not your quote is going to be reduced, kept the same, or even increased. And yes, believe it or not, they do increase their quotes. The other way is how I have gone about handling my trade-ins. And this is to set up an online quote via a Zoom meeting. So you simply schedule an appointment with one of their trade-in specialists, and they will evaluate your equipment right then and there on the spot. So you get the value and you can decide whether or not you want to accept it. And if you do, they'll send you an email shortly after that, giving you everything that you need except a box to send in your equipment. Once they get it, they'll do that final inspection to, of course, make sure that the product you showed on the Zoom meeting was the same one that, they received as far as condition. You'll do the same thing with the quote, right? It'll either be lower, the same, or higher. Now, here is the important detail to this entire process, right? We have some accountability here too. We have to be honest with KEH and ourselves about the condition of our equipment and rating it on their site. If you're unreasonable or unrealistic about the condition, you can't blame KEH if you get a lower quote, right? That's on us. Now, I always like to remind people in these situations, imagine this was your business. What would you expect and how would you handle this process? I think it helps keep things in perspective. Of the products that I have traded in with KEH, my quote has never been reduced. I know a lot of photographers like to keep all the gear they have purchased, right? They're kind of like gear collectors. But here's the reality. How often are you really going to use some of that older equipment that you have, right? You might have good intentions, but it just doesn't happen. I've kind of always had the mindset, instead of letting used gear sit on a shelf, I'd rather turn it into gear I will actually use. One of my favorite parts of this experience is that KEH made it easy to think that my old gear is, of a value where I could actually redirect it. Instead of having a lens just sitting around collecting dust, I was able to trade it in towards another lens or some other piece of equipment that made more sense for me. That's a big deal because sometimes upgrading is not about spending more money. Sometimes it's about moving money from gear you don't use into gear you will actually need. The warranty matters because it changes how you feel about buying used, right? If you don't have a warranty, it is risky and it's scary. This gives you some breathing room. It gives you some time to actually use the gear, test it, and make sure it performs the way it should. That is a very different feeling than buying from some random individual where once the deal is done, it's done. And again, don't forget about their 21-day return period. Once you receive the product, if you're not satisfied with it, you have that 21-day window in which to decide whether or not you want to return it. Photographers on a budget, wildlife photographers needing more expensive equipment, people building a kit, photographers upgrading from beginner gear, people who want backup bodies, people who want to try a focal length before buying new, photographers who want better gear without full retail pricing. Now, I'm not saying nobody should ever buy new. There are certainly times when it makes the most sense. Brand new camera releases, maybe special manufacturer warranties or promotions, maybe special financing. You might have specific gear that is hard to find on the used market. Sometimes the used price is so close to the new price, you might as well buy new. When you need absolute certainty about ownership history. After trading in multiple cameras, multiple lenses, and even using KEH to move from one lens into another, I can honestly say my experience has been excellent. For me, the biggest takeaway is this. Buying used does not have to always feel risky when you're buying from the right place. And if buying used helps you to get better gear, save some money, or turn unused equipment into something that actually helps your photography, then it's absolutely worth considering it. So the next time you're looking at a new camera body or even a new lens, don't just ask, can I afford this brand new? Ask a better question. Can I get the same photographic result for less money by buying used from a reputable company? Because at the end of the day, no one else cares whether your lens was brand new when you bought it, right? What they care about is the images you create with it. And if KEH helps you to get gear that you need, saves that money, and it gives you the confidence through the buying and trade-in process, then that is a serious option you need to consider. Hey, if you're looking for a powerful photo editor, I highly recommend checking out DxO Photolab 9. This is the software that I personally use and trust for all of my photo editing, especially because of its industry-leading noise reduction and their AI masking tools that just make editing faster, more precise, and more consistent. Now, if you'd like to try it for yourself, use the link that I've provided in the description below. And if you decide that you want to purchase it, use my code MAGNOLIA at the time of checkout. That will save you 15% off on your purchase. You can also download their free 30-day trial and test everything out for yourself firsthand with absolutely no restrictions. And if you really want to learn how to get the most out of Photolab, then check out my DxO Photolab Mastery class at magnoliaphotography.com/store. Link for that in the show notes as well. In that course, I walk you through everything from how to properly apply noise reduction and sharpening to your images, and I teach you how to use all of those really cool AI masking tools. Also some freebies in this course too, like my full DxO preset collection for wildlife, portraits, nature, and landscapes. Hey, thank you so much for taking some time out of your day to join me. I hope you learned a lot about KEH, and it gives you some ideas about when used equipment might be the right idea for you. Hey, thanks for joining me. I'll see you in the next video, but until then, you might want to check out this next video right here.